what's up, guys? Gonna be taking you through a full body workout today, upper body focused full body workout. You're gonna love it. It's gonna be really intense. Ricky's gonna do some real somatic editing here, and what I'm gonna start doing in these videos as well is giving you the full list of the actual workout that I did. So if you want to go to the gym and try it, you know all the sets and all the reps. But first things first, we're a little hungry, so we're gonna get some food real quick.
Real quick?
Well,
are you sure? Because we're gonna go get food all the way over there. You can't even see where we're gonna go get food.
You can't even see. The parking lot is packed, and I don't have Smart Pack.
Smart Pack?
Just hit the clicker, car packs itself.
So I had to park over here.
All the way over here.
Yeah, I mean, gotta take care of my girl.
Yeah. All right, let's quit the walking. pretty much our cardio.
Worked up an appetite, right?
Seriously.
Ricky's still on meal prep, so he's getting Chick-fil-A.
Yep.
But I'm getting the Panda. So the whole time we're in there placing our order, I'm looking around, and people are just looking at me like with a crazy face, and I forgot how my back looks. So they probably think I have like coronavirus or something. Like, when they turn around, people are like, "Ooh."
Let's see that back. Yep, definitely coronavirus.
All right, guys, so for today's workout, we're gonna be doing full body. Gonna be a bit more upper body focused. Just pounded all that Panda Express you guys saw. So there will be a little bit of squatting, but we're gonna save it towards the end of the workout. Give it a little time to digest in between. Gonna start off with an incline bench press. Gonna sit here for about 4 sets, 8 to 10 repetitions. Yeah, we're gonna progressively overload, but the goal is to have like 2 or 3 reps left in the tank by the time we get to the 10th rep. So that's the mindset throughout this workout. Couple reps left in the tank on every set, focus on volume, and we're gonna move through pretty quick. right, guys, that wraps up today's workout. If you stick to the rest periods, it only take about an hour and a half to complete. Again, this was a full body workout, but it had mainly an upper body focus. Sometimes I like to incorporate a bit more legs, even if it's an upper body focus, but I'm gonna be doing some more legs tomorrow, so I'm just gonna save it until then. That's the great thing about upper body. You can hit a little bit of everything, but if you know what you're doing tomorrow, you can adjust your workouts and compensate based on how you feel. If you guys want to see more videos like this, more full workouts with epic cinematic editing by your boy Ricky, make sure you tap that like button, let me know. Click the notification bell, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.